Today we're fitting this Alpine 11-inch halo head unit into this VW T6.1. It's electric, it's a 2021 model, and it's going to go in there really nicely. We're also doing a speaker upgrade and a reverse camera to give this a complete overhaul. Right, so it's all installed. As you can see, it fits very nicely on this dash. This is the 11-inch and it just goes here. It looks like it was meant to be. It's quite a nice looking thing. So there we've got, this is Google Maps. We've got Waze. There we go, showing where we are. And you can always click this button to get the split display. And you've got Spotify. And all of this is controlled by you've got the volume control still active on the steering wheel. And if we go back to the main menu, this one here, what's really nice about this is we've got the vehicle information. Now, so that means if I put on the heated seats, you can see that information actually on the screen. Set up, not that one, car settings. You can see all this information that would have been on the original screen is still retained on this very nice modern head unit. So we can go back to CarPlay, and it's just very nice display, very responsive, and it all just works as you would expect. What we've also done in this vehicle is changed the speakers and the tweeters with an Alpine compatible kit. So this is, you can see the tweeters there, it looks quite nice, but obviously the mid bass are hidden in the doors. What we've also done in this vehicle is reverse camera. So you can see the screen there, that's the reverse camera, and I'll show you in a minute, it's a wedge camera around the back. So that's the CarPlay back again, and we'll go around and have a look at the back. Right, so there's the reverse camera. As you can see, it's very discreet. It's a wedge camera that's fitted just above the number plate. It's not really in the way at all, and it works really well. It gives you a nice open view of the back end of the vehicle. So it's going to go into, it's going to work when you go into reverse, but also, as you saw from the front, you can have it on live view if you want to. So that's an Alpine 11-inch halo head unit fitted to this VW T6.1 2021 model.